Decks that look sketchy but somehow passed inspection can be a real headache, right? Let's get into what you actually need to check to know if your deck is solid or just waiting to collapse. First off, you want to look at the posts supporting the deck. If they're skinny or spaced too far apart, that's a red flag. Ideally, you need thicker posts and more of them closer to the house to spread out the weight. Then, check the beams. If those aren't properly nailed or bolted together following building codes, the whole thing can start separating under pressure. Also, notice how long the horizontal boards are that stick out without support. If they're too long, they'll bend and put extra stress on the posts. Weather and rot can seriously weaken the wood, so look for any signs of decay or softness in the posts and beams. Bracing is important but won't save you if one post fails. Don't ignore how the deck is attached to the house either. If it's just lagged into an overhang or a weak spot, that's a big problem. Lastly, if your deck is older but still has good wood in good shape and isn't spanning more than 10 feet, you might just need minor repairs instead of a full rebuild. One of the biggest mistakes people make with deck safety is ignoring post size and spacing. Too few posts or posts that are too thin can't hold the load, so add more or beef them up if needed. Another common issue is not fastening beams correctly. Just nailing two pieces together without following a proper schedule means they won't act as one strong piece. Use bolts or specific nail patterns instead. Lastly, many forget to check for rot or weather damage. Even good-looking decks can hide soft spots that weaken structure, so test wood firmness and replace any rotten parts before problems get worse. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with decks and other big jobs. Plus, it helps contractors get real work by connecting them with people who need their skills, so everybody wins when it's time to fix or build something solid.